Hello and welcome to a new tutorial on C++. I'm going to explain you on this tutorial the pointers. So let's start with a single variable. For example, int value is equal to 13. Now if we want to get the location of this value of this variable on our hard drive, we need to write this line of code. Cout the address operator and value. I will write sin.get in order to press enter. Let's see. So the result is this hexadecimal number. In fact, it's hexadecimal in order to not have conflicts with other values. Okay, so why do we need to get the address anyway? In order to make not static, not automatic, or even other types or other forms of using variables, we need to make dynamic arrays, for example, in order to use them during runtime, not compile time, because static and automatic are compile time. Instead, the pointers are dynamic, so they run during runtime of the program. When the user needs to write its name, for example, the value of the string is going to take place immediately during the program. Okay, so now let's start with a pointer, and the pointer will be the same type. Integer, we're going to use the multiplication sign, and then the pointer name, which I'm going to call it p-value. Okay, so it's the pointer of the value, which is equal to the address of value. Now if we type in the p-value, pointer value, these are going to be the same, because the address and the pointer are the same thing. So the pointer points to the address and is the same as a value, but not as meaning. Okay, if I cout, for example, the value, I'm going to get 13. And if I cout the address, the multiplication sign, and p-value, I'm going to get 13 again. So let's see now, debugging the program. And oh, sorry, I need to add in here and line. Okay, let's add line and line. Okay, so let's run the program, and we get two address operators which are identical, and the two values. Now if I, for example, want to add the value, which is 13, I want to add 10, then I'm going to use the pointer just for an example. If I type in pointer value, the pointer of the value, which is equal to the pointer of the value plus 10, and if I cout this one, I'm going to get 23. So here we have 23. Okay, so now if I, for example, wanted this less bigger than this one, I'm just going to add a plus and an equal sign. So it's the same, we get 23 again. Now I'm going to talk about the new operator and the delete about pointers. So if I add, for example, int the sign of the pointer and pointer number, which is equal to new integer, because this new here just adds to a heap memory or stack memory the address of the pointer. So it's just an address where the pointer points to, and it stays there, which is not used by any other programs. So now if we, for example, create, we have created the pointer number, and we add this pointer number a new value, which is 13, for example. If we see out this, see out the pointer number, so if we see out this pointer number, we get 13. Now we need to delete this pointer, and we type in delete and the name of the pointer, which is pointer number. So now the pointer is deleted and there is no leak memory during the runtime of the program. So if I start debugging this program again, after I press enter, the program is completely destroyed. Now I would need, for example, to create a program which uses 200 arrays, but the problem here is that in order to be sure of what I'm doing, I need to create 300 arrays in order to have as many people as possible, but I don't know exactly how many people will be on who will use this program. So I create dynamic arrays, which are created by adding those two brackets after the integer. And we're going to type in here, for example, 300, and because we would need 300 arrays in order to access the arrays, so one by one we need to add in here the pointer name, p number, and then inside the brackets 0, because this is the first pointer till the 299, and for example this is equal to 3001. If we see out the pointer, this is going to be a problem, because this will see out all the pointer. We just need a single one, so we type in 0 and we'll delete the address operator. Now the problem in here is that if we delete the p number, this won't destroy all the array. So inside of here we need to type in 300 p numbers. So delete all 300 pointers inside of here of this program during runtime. Now if we run this program, it's going to show 3001. So we now have the dynamic arrays. It's going to be exactly as this one. If we don't have dynamic arrays, for example deleting this one, we need to delete this and then delete even this one here and add the multiplication sign. So this is the pointers tutorial. Thank you guys for watching, and I will make new tutorials. Please like my videos and subscribe.